Hey, this is Andrew Brown. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on MFA in AWS. It's very straightforward. I probably showed this in the Cloud Practitioner, but for our other exams, just in case I didn't, I'm going to make this video again. And I have to be on screen for a little bit because I'm going to actually have to show you my phone to show you the end-to-end process, okay? But I'm just going to get off screen for now, so we'll get out of here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Users. I'm going to go over to AWS Examples. I'm going to go to Security Credentials. We're going to assign MFA. And so here, what we'll do is we will assign an Authenticator app. You can see there are 3 different options here. Security keys are nice, but I just don't ever seem to use them because Authenticator apps are so easy now. Always wanted a key, then I got one, and then it just never went into use so properly. So just say my MFA, doesn't really matter what we call this here. We'll go ahead and hit next. And so it's going to show us a QR code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my phone. And all phones have this capability, but the idea is that you're getting out the phone and you're going to your phone, your phone thing, right? Whatever opens up, the phone, I'm saying phone, your photo app. So mine's down there. It's the red one in the middle right there, right? Android over here. And so when we open it up, I'm going to hold up my phone to the QR code. It's going to make little arrows around it. And then I'm going to click the link, and now it's opening it up like this. Didn't exactly work how I wanted it to, so that didn't work out. If that doesn't work out, the other thing you can do is have like an Authenticator app installed. There's a lot out there. I like Authy, but there's Authy, Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator. There's a lot of them. So I'm going to open up Authy, and Authy, I have a pin, so I have to put my pin in here. I can't really see my screen. But, you know, once you're in there, if you click the 3 ellipses, sorry, I'm just trying to find my screen here. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so you can see me a whole lot better. Hey, everybody. Fat Andrew, skinny Andrew. Anyway, you know, going up here in the top right corner, there are those 3 ellipses, as you can see there. I'm going to drop that down. We have Add Account. It's the top one. And now it's asking you to scan the QR code. So sometimes, if you have a QR code, it'll automatically know to open up the app, but it's not doing that. So now I'm scanning, it's showing me like this little thing. So I'm trying to get that into the QR code box. It's picked it up, and now it shows me that it's connected. Good time to rename this so you don't get confused what it is, especially when you have multiple ones in here. We'll go ahead and hit save. And so now I have this code that's spinning, right? And so what I have to do is I have to enter in the first code as quick as I can here. I'm going to get this off the screen. 300434. Oh, 300434. And what I'm waiting for is the next code to show up. Okay, so this one's still on the screen. And that thing's going all the way around. And I'm just waiting for it to elapse. So I get the next number. Give it a moment here. All right, and so now I got to enter that one in the second one here, 562298, and we'll go ahead and add that MFA. All right, so now MFA is on, and so the next time I log in AWS, it's going to ask me to enter that code. I really don't feel like showing that. I've done this so many times in so many videos. It's very straightforward. Though I will point out that sometimes MFA does get kind of messed up, and I don't know why. What can happen is like, because this stuff is like synced to the time of your phone or whatever. And so I've had issues in these accounts where I couldn't get back in because like these other user accounts because the MFA was messed up. So I had to remove my MFA, add it, resync it. Notice there's a resync option here. So sometimes you have to resync and enter the codes in again. And that's absolutely happened to me. So just understand that that could be something that happens to you. But I'm going to go ahead and remove this because I don't want to have MFA on right now. You should have MFA on, but for me, this is a development account, and I need to do a lot with it. So for me, it makes sense not to have it. But for everybody else, you should have MFA turned on. When you're applying MFA for your root account, you're not going to be able to find your root account over here. You'd have to go somewhere up here, drop down, and go to account or security credentials, I guess. So if you go here, this brings us to the same similar page. So I'm just telling you this for the root account. If you're looking for it, it's under here, okay? Because AWS has this checklist to say, add MFA to your root account, and you really should. I haven't for this account because I don't care. There's nothing in this account. It gets blasted away every other day. But yeah, there you go. And we'll see you in the next one, okay? Ciao.